Hello, smart home enthusiasts, and welcome to our Smart Home Tech channel. Are you ready to supercharge the lifespan of your smart sensors? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Aqara and Ecobee sensors, guiding you through the battery replacement process and exploring ways to extend the life of your smart sensors' batteries. Let's electrify our smart home experience. Aqara and Ecobee sensors, revolutionizing smart homes. Aqara and Ecobee sensors are the game changers in the realm of smart home automation, renowned for their unparalleled efficiency and convenience. These cutting-edge devices are at the forefront of revolutionizing how we interact with our living spaces. However, to ensure they continue to operate smoothly and maintain their top-notch performance, it's crucial to focus on proper battery maintenance. This fundamental aspect not only keeps them functioning optimally, but also underscores the importance of regular upkeep in the dynamic world of smart home technology. Enhancing performance with the right batteries. Starting with Aqara sensors, renowned for their precision and connectivity. Whether it's monitoring temperature, motion, or light, Aqara has you covered. But when the battery runs low, performance can dip. That's where we come in. Next up, Ecobee sensors. These beauties are all about enhancing your home's comfort and energy efficiency. They seamlessly integrate with your Ecobee thermostat, making climate control smarter. But just like any device, they need a battery boost from time to time. For more details on Ecobee products, a link will be displayed at the top right of this video. Continue watching for valuable insights, and if you miss it, we'll provide the link again at the end of the video. Now it is the time for some hands-on action. Replacing the battery in your Aqara or Ecobee smart sensor is a breeze. Let me show you how it's done. Step-by-step battery replacement guides. Number 1. Aqara sensor battery replacement. Aqara sensors are known for their sleek design and easy maintenance. Let's start with replacing their battery step by step. First, locate the small notch or opening at the back of the Aqara sensor. This is where you'll gently pry open the device. Once open, you'll see the old battery. Note its orientation before you gently remove it. Now, take your new battery. I recommend the CR2032 Lithium-ion batteries for their longevity, and insert it in the same orientation as the old one. Finally, snap the back cover back into place. And that's it. Your Aqara sensor is ready to go. Number 2. Ecobee sensor battery replacement. Moving on to the Ecobee sensors, step-by-step battery replacement tutorial. These might look a bit more daunting, but trust me, it's just as easy. Locate the tab at the back of the Ecobee smart sensor. Use your screwdriver to gently push and slide the back cover off. Inside, you'll see the battery, usually a CR2032 or a similar model. Gently remove it, paying attention to the plus and minus sides. Grab your new battery. I suggest using a high-capacity CR2032 to ensure longer life, and place it in the same orientation as the old one. Slide the back cover back on until it clicks. And just like that, your Ecobee smart sensor is powered up and ready for action. Now, let's talk batteries. You'll find a variety of options on Amazon. We recommend looking for long-lasting, high-quality batteries to ensure your sensors stay active longer. High-quality sensor batteries. These batteries are not just durable, but also eco-friendly, offering you a greener way to power your smart home. With features like extended lifespan and consistent power output, they're a smart choice for your smart sensors batteries. Energizer CR2032 Lithium-ion batteries, the ultimate powerhouse for smart sensors. In an era where smart technology is paramount, Energizer CR2032 Lithium-ion batteries stand out as a reliable power source, especially for smart sensor battery replacement. These batteries are not just ordinary power units. They are the lifeblood for devices integral to our daily lives, from Aqara and Ecobee smart sensors to key fobs and healthcare devices. Let's delve into what makes these batteries a must-have for anyone relying on smart technology. The Energizer CR2032 model, officially known as EVE2032BP2, is a marvel in the world of batteries. First available on July 2004, these batteries have secured a top rank in the health and household category, particularly admired for their compatibility with smart sensor batteries. Each battery backpage, measuring 0.2 by 4.2 by 3.7 inches and weighing a mere 0.32 ounces, packs a punch with a nominal voltage of 3 volts and a typical capacity of 240 mAh. Why choose Energizer CR2032 lithium-coin batteries for your smart sensors? Firstly, longevity. With a shelf life of up to 10 years and a self-discharge rate of about 1% per year, these batteries are perfect for long-term use in devices like Aqara sensors and Ecobee sensors. Secondly, durability. Operating efficiently in temperatures ranging from -30 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius, these batteries are ideal for smart sensor battery replacement, ensuring that your devices function optimally in various environmental conditions. Next, high performance. The lithium manganese dioxide chemical system ensures high energy density and voltage stability, critical for devices like smart sensors batteries that require consistent power delivery. Last but not least, safety. The child-resistant packaging and leak-resistant design make these batteries safe for household use, keeping your Aqara and Ecobee smart sensors powered without risks. In the box. Each package includes a pair of Energizer CR2032 lithium-coin batteries, ready to breathe life into your smart devices. Energizer's commitment to innovation. Energizer's journey from revolutionizing watch winding to powering today's advanced electronics like Aqara and Ecobee sensors reflects their commitment to innovation. These batteries are a testament to their dedication to providing reliable and long-lasting power sources for the most demanding smart devices. Customer satisfaction. With an impressive 4.8 out of 5 stars rating from over 179,000 reviews, customers have expressed immense satisfaction with the performance of these batteries, especially in smart sensor battery replacement. In conclusion, Energizer CR2032 lithium-coin batteries are more than just batteries. They are a reliable companion for your smart devices. Whether it's for your home's Aqara and Ecobee smart sensors or other electronic gadgets, these batteries promise efficiency, longevity, and safety. Energize your smart world with Energizer. And there you have it. With the right batteries and simple installation steps, you can significantly extend the life of your Aqara and Ecobee smart sensors. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your smart home running at its best. Thank you for joining me in today's journey to smarter sensor maintenance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart home tips and tricks. Stay smart, stay connected, and see you in the next video.